When we talk about skill development, we talk about how it is an imperative driver which improves employability, productivity, and takes a nation towards inclusive growth. In the same manner, skill development holds the key of India's ability to tap the vast potential of its youth, and India has a unique window of opportunity in terms of its demographic advantage. With one of the largest working populations in the world, India's 61% of the population comes under the bracket of working population. In this regard, it has become extremely important for an individual to learn new age skills, enhance practical knowledge, and vocational skills to be industry ready. And to get a broader view on the imperativeness of skill development, PBNS has an exclusive conversation with Praveer Arora, who is the Chief Marketing Officer of Aptech.
Given that we in India have such a young population, and a lot of them need to get this understanding and importance of how skill building can help them build up their careers. I would strongly go and urge a knowledge program that helps to address to this youth, saying that jobs are available. Please understand, I don't think there's dearth of jobs, at least in the spaces that we operate in. Today we are in a situation that for every student that graduates from us, we're able to give them an option of 3 jobs, right? So which means we can increase the intake to 3 times what we have today and still be able to give everybody a job, because the market needs are such. The government of India is doing their bit by adding and allocating resources, money in their budget for skill development. But I think a lot of it also goes on to people like you from the media perspective to go and spread the word, saying, hey, listen, there are jobs available, there are new age jobs available, there are opportunities in this market, not what traditionally our parents did or traditionally our elders did. And this is obviously taking India to a new growth stage.
In the coming years, India will generate a demand of millions of skilled workers, and by harnessing the growing skilled workforce, a lot of key sectors will be benefited, and at the same time it will fulfill the demand of new age and emerging sectors as well.
I probably talk from a perspective that we come in from. Media and entertainment is one of the largest sectors. There is no dearth of jobs there. In fact, today we are in a situation that people who hire from us and people who are big organizations who hire from us, they're coming back and saying they need more. There are organizations which are set up saying that we need probably scale up to 5,000 to 10,000 to 15,000 people in the next 3 years in this space. They need animators, they need VFX artists, they need online game designers, they need people who can develop content, and I think that's where the interest is in terms of being able to scale up the workforce in those areas.
Further deliberating on the skill enhancement, PBNS interacts with Deepal Das, who is the VFX supervisor at YFX, a division of Yash Raj Film Studios.
हर इंसान में एक अभिनेता हमेशा होता है. An actor is there in everybody. मेरे हिसाब से हर इंसान में एक कलाकार भी होता है. There is always some skill that everybody has. The question here is to tap it. उसको समझो, देखो, पहचानो और उसको निखारो. That is basically the whole point. If somebody will say that, do you really have to be good at drawing? Do you have to be good at fine arts to get into a field which is so creative and so technical? I would say, well, yes and no. It all depends. It all depends on how you groom yourself. आपकी तालीम कहाँ हुए, education कैसे हुआ है, आपका मार्गदर्शन कैसे हुआ है. That is the most important part.
Talking about how one can actually grow and develop a skill set that makes a person industry ready, Deepal says,
we as human beings, God has gifted us with a lot of powers of observation. And when we say observation, it is like everyday's activities, what you see outside, what you see within ourselves, what you see inside the house. It is all about grooming and developing a skill on its own. जब तक आप खुद को नहीं निखारोगे, उभारोगे, टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट्स तो खैर हम लोग सीखते हैं टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूट से, एजुकेशन सिस्टम से, बहुत सारे ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग कोर्सेज हैं, इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं, लेकिन जब तक आप खुद ब खुद देख के ऑब्जर्व करके नहीं निखारोगे, नहीं करते जाओगे काम, तब तक आपको ब्रेक मिलना भी बहुत मुश्किल है आज की तारीख में, बिकॉज द कंपटीशन इज सो वास्ट. Competition is very cutthroat today. That is the whole point.
The importance of imparting skill training to the youth is well recognized and has been flagged as a national priority for almost a decade. The government is making tireless efforts so that India's youth can fulfill their potential and meet their aspiration while contributing towards the nation's progress. With significant initiative being launched by the government, from Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana to Skill India, these initiatives are working towards skilling the workforce of the country. Further efforts are being made to raise the natural standard of education, partnering with developing nations for skill enhancement and by promoting the adoption of new technologies. While these initiatives continue the effort to provide advanced skill, we require a well-coordinated approach from various stakeholders which can enlarge the network of training programs and ensure that it is closely aligned to make India a global skilled workforce. This is it in today's section. Thanks for watching.